Angang singi Aadhaar sembada aranba date of birth hapkiba asina hayeng larik laishu tamba matamda che nabakaya thorakpagi maram ama oi haina Special Secretary Home and Asok Kumar na directly Unique Identification Authority of India UDAI ge makhada Manipur ge ahanba Aadhaar Seva Kendra ASK Center Wahingbom Lekai Baigo Hotel Manakta Hangdukibagi Thoramda Wafumase Mahakna Pungdukibane Tharamaduda Commissioner cum Secretary Special Secretary Home and Asok Kumar, Additional Secretary Special Secretary Home and Subhas, Deputy Director General UDAI, RO Guwahati, Ngachan Jimek, Deputy Commissioner Imphal West District Mayang Lambam Rajkumar Amadi SP Imphal West District KSH Sivakantana Thoramge President Member Oina Sarukyaki Tharamaduga Mari Layana Commissioner cum Secretary Special Secretary Home and Asok Kumar Nahai Manipur Oina Aadhaar Seva Kendra ASK ama Imphal da Thamnanaba Chahi Kiyagi Mamangdagi Hotnaduna Lakiba Adu Ngasidi Thabakta Ontokpa Ngamlei Ngasi launch tawriba Manipur Aadhaar Seva Kendra Sina Aadhaar enrollment amadi update tawbada miyamda chawna mateng pangba ngamlagani Anoba Digital India gi lakliba ahongba asida Aadhaar haibase yamna maru oiba document ama oide angang singi kindergarten school ming chanbadagi hauraga high school higher secondary college postgraduate level fawbada Aadhaar yawdrabade yadre Manipur gi apunba mesingi chada humputara Nepal Aadhaar paire lemhori bachada kunithoi asidi chahi mangagi manungda leiba angang singni yodai matenga loinana hairiba apikpa angang sing asigisu bal Aadhaar semba honana balengakna thabak paikhatpa hauраklagani hauzik miyamna Aadhaar card ta leiba ming amadi date of birth atopa singa mananaba sembada thengnariba khudong chadaba sing asigi matangda lengaknasu khananainari Maru oina nupi singna mayum palaba matungda yumna hongdok hongjin tawrubagi thengnariba khudong chadaba sing karigumba matamdana Aadhaar da yauriba ming aduga PAN card voter ID card da yauriba ming aduga manadaba kaya ama thengnari hairiba khudong chadaba sing ase thoktanaba mari lenaba authority ayaba lauraga semdoknanaba hotnaragani amaromda mapamama oiba singna machagi date of birth hapada checksin view aranba date of birth hapkiba sina hayeng tungda larik laishu tamba matamda khudong chadaba cheyetnaba kaya thorakpagi maram ama oi haina mahana makatana phongdokki
When they come to class 10, then it is enrolling the board exams and other things. Lot of challenges they are facing it. We are trying to address. More and more awareness also has been given. We have sensitized to the schools while doing the admission. They need to be more vigilant and take appropriate care in checking the name, surname, as well as the date of birth, which matches with the birth certificate, because this will avoid the difficulties in future after 5 years or 10 years when they go to the board exam. Nevertheless, I once again congratulate the team. We look forward to see these kind of facilities not stop at one. It should grow more and reach out to the more districts and more subdivisions so that our people get the benefit.
Thawramaduga Mari Lainana, Additional Secretary, Special Secretary Home A. Subhas Nahai, Aadhaar da ming hongdokpagi matangda state lengakna gazette notification ama athuba matamda thoknana bahotnadi ming hongdokpagi gazette leitaba sinamara moiraga mayum palabi nupi singi yumnak hongdok hongjin tawbada chawna khudong chadaba ama mayoknadi khudong chadaba asi thoktanaba state lengakna GAD ga kupna khanaraba matungda gazette ta fongnanaba thabak paikhatpa hore hairiba thabak asi hek paikhatpa loibaga ming onbada thengnariba khudong chadaba asi leiraroi haina mahakna makhataki
State government in consultation with GAD na koi process fiber hore koi printing and stationery na phone iba gadget sida ming je phone ba yana ba koi modalities kuji work out tawi si yar ba matung da de koi ming hong ge ko tinga sai koi commissioner na jo haibi ba koi gi hang mapam gi ming da hapsal lu ba gi yum pan ba de am thu e ba sum ba ji si yana ba gi se koi state government gi sida koi sida dum phone je raga di praja da yam na kana ba gi processing na sai hai go Delhi da khangna ba leitraga di Delhi da gazette phone na bana da middleman me amam thola fake pau purakba yaurak gi kenoji ai athuba matam da koi masi solve to ngam gani and ai koi state government side tham da process is already underway.